So the next thing we're going to do, we're in collections and we're in sets inside of collections. And the next thing that we're going to do is look at the difference underscore update method. And I'm going to add this into the difference method because they're kind of like similar. What I might actually do is put a print statement somewhere here just to print quotations, just to underscore the line difference between where we were at and where we're going to get to. And as a recollection, we created fruits once. There was no point recreating a second time. We created fruits one, which is apple, orange, and banana. We created fruits two, which was mango, lemon, and orange. And basically, orange was in both of these sets. And the difference method, which is over here, the difference method returns a difference between two or more sets as a new set. So we got back this new set over here, which was the fruits one set for all items in the set that were not in fruits 2, and orange was in fruits 2, so it returned back these first two items in the set because they weren't in the difference fruits. So now we're going to try to use the difference underscore update method. So let's try the difference underscore update method, and we will do fruits one dot difference, and note there's difference and there's difference update, and it says here remove all elements of another set from this set. So let's see what this does. It's going to remove all of, in fact I shall remove all elements from another set. Okay, this is what we are expecting to come back. And also hovering over it, we see that there is a none that's being returned. So this is not returning us anything back. We just have to put in an iterable, and the iterable will be set 2. And we're going to remove all elements from this other set, which is set 2, that were not in that was not in set 1. So let's put in set, also fruits 2, not set 2, fruits 2. So we're doing fruits 1 dot different update on fruits 2, and then we will just do a print. So we will, in fact I think we can just copy this out as well. We can print fruits 2, and we can take that one and print fruits 1. We're just going to turn these into ones. So our results will come just below this dashed line over here. And we will run the code, and we see that fruits 1 is banana and apple, and we see that fruits 2 is lemon, mango, and orange. So fruits 2 has been unchanged, and fruits 1 is banana and apple. So that is the difference underscore update method in Python.